Your brand is one of your company's most valuable assets, so your logo must represent the values and the quality that you provide. In other words, it's the personality of your brand. So, are you just starting a new brand or have been in business for years? You can get now professional results yourself with PlaceIt's templates. In a matter of minutes, you can create an iconic logo design to promote yourself without any designer or any complex software. Let me show you. Okay, so go to placeit.net, and before you choose a logo maker that goes along with your brand, you can use this tool right here to write down the name of your business and have a peek of how it could look in these templates. And now start designing. Here's the name that I wrote before, but you can edit it over and over again. Change the font style and the color on each of the 3 text boxes. Use them all or only a few depending on the weight that you want to give to each part of the text. Click on the check boxes next to the text input to activate or deactivate a text line. Underneath, you can choose a type font and a color. Layout will give you a different look. Choose the one that catches your eye. Now you can pick an icon that matches your style and what do you want to communicate. Feel free to play around with them. You can change the color of the graphic to your liking. Finally, you can choose the color of the background. Get your logo by clicking this blue button. But remember that with unlimited subscription, you can get not only one, but all the mockups that you want to for only $29 a month. So what about making your brand recognizable by promoting it? You can drop this logo into a business card, or you can even make a flyer and make people be able to know you and keep you as their very first option. What a great logo can do is help your customers develop an affinity for you. So go ahead and try it for yourself. You can personalize your logo super quickly without having to leave your browser or hire someone else. So go ahead, take a chance at designing your own brand image.